Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video, I would love to show you how to create a love ball from Pokemon. Now this one works up really quickly, and I must admit I really do like the colours used in this one. They're so bright and vibrant, it just works up really well, I think. So, just like before, I'm going to ask you to nip over to my Pokeball video and recreate it using fuchsia. But don't sew the button on quite yet. See, I've got mine here. Because we're going to have to sew the heart on first, or with it, so to speak. So nip over there, recreate the Pokeball in purple, like this fuchsia colour. Don't sew your button on yet. And I'm going to show you how to make this heart. So materials that you need, of course, will be a crochet hook, some yarn in pale pink, and just a little bit of white. We're going to need a darning needle, a pair of scissors, and just a few pins, as always. So to get started with the heart, I'm just going to take a strand of this gorgeous pale pink, and I'm going to start to make a loose magic ring. And working completely in this magic ring, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to create 3 treble crochets all into this magic ring. Next, I'm going to do 3 double crochets. Then I'm going to chain 1 and recreate this but backwards. So I'm going to do 3 double crochets and then 3 treble crochets. Next, I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm just going to slip stitch straight into the centre of the magic ring, just to bring the heart neatly to a finish. I'm going to tighten my magic ring. I'm just going to take my scissors and snip off the yarn. So next, I'm going to take my white and my hook, and I'm going to insert my hook straight through the centre of the heart and attach my white. Next, I'm going to chain 1 just to secure that colour. And now what we're going to do is we're going to half double crochet all the way around the outside, but do a half double crochet increase in the corners and do 3 half double crochets in this very point of the heart here. So stitch by stitch, the first one will be a half double crochet. Next will be a half double crochet increase, so that's 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. And next we're going to do 4 half doubles, working down towards the point. And then we're going to put 3 half double crochets into this gap here where that chain was. all into the same gap. Next we're going to half double crochet 4 until we get to this point. And then we're going to put another half double crochet increase into this top corner here, like so. And then finally we're going to put one more half double crochet into the last stitch there. Then I'm going to chain 1 and then slip stitch straight into the middle of the heart again, just like so. I'm going to snip it all off. Leave myself a pretty long tail. I will use this to sew the heart onto the Pokeball. Okay, so now we've unfilled our heart. Make sure all the stitches are nicely flat. I'm going to take up our Pokeball and the button and a bunch of pins. Now we're just going to pin everything in place where I'll be happy with it. So the reason I didn't sew the button on is because I'm going to put the very tip of the heart just underneath, like so. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that placement. So now I know where the button has to sit on top of the heart. I'm going to start with sewing the heart on, just so it'll be easier to sew the button on afterwards. So for now, I can just remove these pins and just fold it down, like so. So let's get on to sewing the heart. And now the heart is fully sewn on, I'm just going to insert my needle. I'm going to come out through the original magic ring. I'm just going to put a nice line straight down the middle, just so we get this nice line here. Just like so. Next, we can just sew the button on, just like normal. So there we go. I really love the colour combination of these love balls, and they just work up so quickly and they're just really easy. I mean, you can play around with where you want the button, you might want it a bit higher, a bit lower. I put this heart a bit higher on my original one and I think I prefer how that looks, but it's just trial and error. I'm still happy with both of them. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future free patterns. And feel free to drop me a like and share as well. It all helps. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.